A willow twig breaks off during a fierce storm. It falls into the muddy riverbank water. Nobody plants it or cares for it. But in just a few days, pale roots emerge from the fractured end. A fresh tree sprouts from what was merely a thrown-away stick. This isn't fantasy. It's pure biochemistry. And the process unfolding in that damaged willow twig unlocks one of gardening's greatest tricks for kickstarting seeds. Most gardeners past 50 discover this the tough way. You nestle seeds into the ground with care, water them tenderly, monitor them constantly, and still end up with empty soil. Or worse, fragile sprouts emerge only to wither overnight from hidden soil pathogens. It's devastating and entirely preventable. There's a straightforward 3-step soak, using everyday household items that boosts root development up to 3 times quicker and yields crops up to 5 times bigger. No pricey chemicals, no lab-made stuff, just natural elements from the outdoors and your medicine chest. Big nurseries are aware of it, but they'd prefer peddling synthetic rooting hormones in costly little vials over revealing the free gift from a willow tree. By video's close, viewers will grasp the precise how-to. First, though, get why it succeeds. Once the biology sinks in, it sticks forever. Hang in there to the finish. The last step, that one element, rousing dormant seeds in 24 hours, rarely gets mentioned. Part 1. The initial breakthrough. The wonder concealed in every willow. One question gardeners seldom ponder. Why does willow root so effortlessly? Break off a maple, oak, or pine limb. It perishes. Submerge it, and it decays. But clip a weeping willow branch, toss it into muddy water, and roots form right away. No powder required, no nutrients added. The twig already packs all essentials internally. It's a natural hormone named indole-3-butyric acid, or IBA. Willows churn out massive quantities, particularly in fresh green tips and the slender cambium layer under the bark. That's identical to what labs synthesize, bottle in plastic, and market it as rooting hormone for $8, $10, or even $15 per container. Willows produce it gratis, non-stop for millions of years. Here's news to many pros. Slice young green or yellow willow branches, gathered in early spring as buds swell, into bits, lightly mash them, and steep in water, 48 to 72 hours. IBA seeps out. The liquid shifts to deep golden brown, creating willow water, a natural rooting tonic rivaling store-bought options. This isn't a viral fad. Willow water ranks among the earliest documented propagation methods. Folks used it eons before, quote one entered vocabulary, before plastic packaging, before commercial greenhouses. Willow offers more than hort tips. It embodies toughness. A limb snaps, lands, and rather than quit, it anchors roots on the spot. Solid wisdom for any stage of life. Yet roots by themselves won't cut it. Even perfect roots fail if soil teems with illness. Enter the second component, tucked openly in the bathroom cabinet. Part 2. The next revelation. The everyday tablet functioning as a botanical shield. Check nearly any home's medicine shelf. A cheap, plain white tablet. Aspirin. Folks pop it for pain or cardiac benefits. Few realize it's a top-tier plant immunity booster, per cutting-edge research. Its backstory ties back to willow. Before Bayer launched synthetic aspirin in 1897, old cultures harnessed willow bark's curative force. Sumerians etched it on clay tablets millennia ago. Native American tribes throughout the continent made teas from willow bark to fight fevers and relieve aches. They had no idea, and scientists wouldn't figure it out for centuries, that the bark holds salicin, a substance the body turns into salicylic acid. Chemists later purified it into acetyl salicylic acid, the key component in all those aspirin pills you see today. The very same tree, providing natural rooting hormone, also sparked our most widely used drug. That's no accident. It's nature's brilliant efficiency at work. Now things get really exciting for gardeners. When aspirin dissolves in water and soaks into a seed or plant, the acetyl salicylic acid turns into salicylic acid. This kicks off systemic acquired resistance, or SAR, in the plant, like a vaccine, but for battling plant pathogens instead of human illnesses. The salicylic acid slips into cells and flips on protective genes. The whole plant shifts into defense mode, cranking out shielding proteins, beefing up cell walls, and ramping up its immunity before trouble even shows up. Seeds need this desperately because soil isn't the cozy cradle folks picture. As soon as a seed takes in water and its shell softens, it's prime bait for lurking fungi, bacteria, and diseases in the dirt. Damping off, that killer where seedlings topple at the base, wipes out far more starts than you'd guess. It's the top cause of failed germination, yet gardeners often point fingers at overwatering or deep planting. Truth is, hidden soil diseases are usually the culprit. An aspirin-soaked seed hits the ground with its defenses already fired up. Experiments prove this boosted immunity crushes tough foes like verticillium wilt and fusarium wilt, nasty soil invaders in backyard plots. Tests on wheat, tomatoes, and more reveal aspirin-treated seeds yield taller growth, sturdier stalks, and way better harvests. But here's the pitfall. Nearly everyone hits hearing aspirin and assuming stronger doses rule. Wrong. Stick to one regular strength tablet per gallon of water for safe, solid results. Excess can scorch the seeds. It's these precise tips that separate triumphs from flops. There's poetry in the mechanism. Aspirin mimics a light stress, fooling the plant into alert mode. That subtle nudge builds a hardier, tougher version than nature alone would craft. Challenge-free seeds stay frail. Gently stimulated ones emerge battle-ready. Still, even with willow-powered roots and aspirin immunity, one huge hurdle remains. The biggest one gardeners ignore. The seeds still dormant. Part 3. Secret number 3. The trigger to rouse a dormant seed. Every seed's a viable embryo in stasis, alive yet locked in slumber, held there by abscisic acid, or ABA. While ABA dominates, no sprouting happens. Perfect soil, temp, and wetness won't budge it. The block's built in. That's why you sow a row and only some pop up. They're not kaput, just snoozing. Water and light can't override unripe internal chemistry. So, what's the wake-up key? It's right beside the aspirin, the brown bottle of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Folks know it as a cut cleaner for scrapes and boo-boos. But plant scientists see it as a vital signaler. A weak H2O2 soak in a sleepy seed works wonders. It blasts an oxidative burst that shreds ABA and sparks gibberellic acid, GA, the growth hormone. Bottom line, hydrogen peroxide toggles from dormancy to action. And that's just the start. Post-signal, it fires up enzymes like alpha amylase to convert seed starches into quick-energy sugars. The embryo gets an instant power surge. That first radical root bursts forth quicker and hardier. The studies backing this are eye-opening. Lab experiments revealed that pea seeds soaked in a properly diluted hydrogen peroxide mix hit a 75% germination rate in merely 24 hours. Meanwhile, seeds in regular water barely sprouted at all over the same time frame. Just 24 hours. Not a minor tweak, but a total revolution. Here's the crucial factor that distinguishes top gardeners from average ones. Dosage is everything. At high levels, hydrogen peroxide acts as a potent oxidizer, wrecking cells and wiping out seeds entirely. Yet at the exact low concentration, 1 to 2 tablespoons of standard 3% hydrogen peroxide per gallon of water, it delivers the ideal oxidative nudge to spark germination safely. Picture it as a soft morning wake-up call. mild enough to rouse without startling into chaos. The seed stirs, the root emerges, and if it's been in the optimal mix, it meets an incredible boost right away. Part 4. The ultimate protocol, combining all three elements. Each component shines on its own. Willow water supplies natural rooting hormones, aspirin bolsters defenses, hydrogen peroxide shatters dormancy, and revs up metabolism. United in one soaking blend, they unleash true synergy, what pros term a triple threat priming method tackling every seed hurdle simultaneously: stimulation, safeguarding, and ignition, all via a single overnight dip. Here's the precise recipe. Step 1. Make the willow water. Early spring, gather 10 to 15 young green or yellow willow twigs. Fresh growth, not tough old wood. Chop into 1-inch segments. Lightly smash with a mallet or knife back to crack the bark and reveal the inner cambium, richest in IBA. Pack into a big vessel like a bucket or jar. Pour in water, at about 4 parts water to 1 part willow. Steep at room temp for 48 to 72 hours until it takes on a cozy golden tea hue. Sieve out the bits. You've got a powerful natural rooting tonic. One overlooked tip: stick to room temp water, skip boiling. It degrades the ABA. Slow infusion beats heat every time. Step 2. Incorporate the aspirin. Into 1 gallon of fresh willow water, add 1 standard 325 milligram uncoated aspirin tablet. Dissolve fully, stir lightly. Uncoated matters. Anaric or gel versions have protective coatings that resist stomach acid, but block water breakdown too. Only plain, basic aspirin does the job. Step 3. Introduce the hydrogen peroxide. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of standard 3% hydrogen peroxide to the aspirin-laced willow water gallon. Mix gently. Nothing stronger. The everyday 3% from stores is spot on. Food-grade, 35% versions are way too intense and lethal to seeds. Step 4. Immerse the seeds. Drop in your tomatoes, peppers, beans, squash, flowers, herbs, whatever's on the planting list, into this master blend. Soak 12 to 24 hours pre-planting. That's all. 1 overnight bath triggers a flurry of internal seed changes. Hydrogen peroxide first infiltrates the coat, dismantling dormancy hormones and kick-starting metabolic fires. As the seed expands and the initial root tip appears, it's enveloped in willow-derived IBA and IAA auxins, spurring root cells to multiply fast for a system up to 3 times bigger and quicker than in untreated seeds. At the same time, aspirin's salicylic acid seeps into cells, flipping on defense genes to build disease resistance from soil pathogens before planting even hits. The payoff? Seedlings that root down swiftly. Day 1 robust roots slurp water and nutrients super efficiently. Prepped immunity skips early infection battles, channeling all energy to growth. Sturdy stems, vibrant leaves, and yields potentially 5-fold larger than dry planted into chilly ground. Seasoned growers swear by it. Not sorcery, pure targeted science at the perfect moment and strength. Just 3 simple ingredients, soaked overnight. Willow water to build robust roots. Aspirin to boost disease resistance. Hydrogen peroxide to ignite that vital spark of growth. They're all affordable, readily available, and don't demand a lab degree or a hunt through niche garden shops. The essentials for tougher, quicker sprouting, hardier seeds have been thriving by streams and tucked in everyday bathroom cabinets forever. Big-time garden suppliers would love to keep it hushed up, but Mother Nature's never been one to hoard her top tricks. This planting season, treat every seed to a single evening dip in this mix before it hits the soil. Observe the transformation, then drop your outcomes in the comments. A breakthrough this powerful deserves to reach every grower out there.